Heyo guys, it's February 4, 2024 and it's day 35 ng daily vlog. So, it's 9:51 PM, no? It's Sunday, rest day ko. At wala akong ginawa naman today. Talagang konting painting lang, tsaka nagpahinga lang, no? Tomorrow, pasok ko tomorrow, no? And grind ulit, no? So, yeah. Yun, just always, always be motivated, no? Whatever happens. Alam ko, bawat araw na lumilipas, minsan naubusan tayo ng energy or motivation to continue. But kailangan everyday, we just have to pray, pray for strength. Take some time to be inspired again. Maybe go out, pumunta ko muna sa mga tahimik na lugar, or find something na will remind you of your purpose, of your dreams and goals, no? So once again, palit-ulit na sinasabi na dito, I'm trying to establish a business today. Although meron naman talagang business off the street, kailangan ko lang establish in a way na mag-boom siya, no? So off the street is a sneaker and clothing brand. And then what else? Yung goal ko pa ngayon is mabayaran lahat ng utang, at also makaipon ng malaki, at also ma-turnover sa atin yung first park home na unit na yung Alora sa Bae, Laguna. So yan, in terms of relationship, I'm very grateful actually. February 4, so mansari namin ngayon ni 37 months, and I'm so grateful, no, dahil binigyan ako ng partner na simple, mabait, at may takot sa Diyos. Higit sa lahat maganda. So, but maybe certain challenge sa relationship namin is, since nasa Sorsogon siya or nasa Legazpi, sa Bicol, I will think of our future, no, kung paano ako magta-transition sa Bicol, since ako naman talaga yung lilipat doon, no? So I'm still trying to prepare for that. Bahala na talaga yung ama kung paano ako tutulungan ng ama sa mga mangyayari. But for now, talagang yung energy ko nakapokus lang sa yung pagbabayad ng utang, pag-iipon, trying to succeed, no? At basta I just hate myself if I am thinking low or I am demotivated, kasi sobrang daming tao sa ibang lugar na nagiging successful, and the amount of money they have is unimaginable compare sa akin. Like, as in, diba, minsan walang-wala talaga. So just imagine yung distribution, no, ng wealth. At yeah, just imagine na nandyan lang talaga yung yaman. Kailangan lang talaga pagtrabahuan, no? So yan. So pinapaulit-ulit ko dito na First of all, be a good man. You know, naalala ko nung graduate ko nung high school back in 2013. It's been 10 years now. So it's been 10 years. So in-imagine ko kung ano ako is in the future. No? So number one is, sabi ko dati na I want to be a good man. That's number one. That's my priority talaga. Forget the wealth, forget everything, forget success. Just be a good man. No? And second na yung successful man, no? Rich, ganun. Kasi yun nga, mayaman ka nga, sa'yo na lahat-lahat, pero hindi ka mabuti. So, I focus more on earning respect. Earning respect rather than money, no? Kumbaga, yun mahalaga sa akin. So, second is money, no? Because hindi naman tayo makatulong sa iba kung wala tayong pera. Hindi tayo mabubuhay, hindi natin ma-enjoy yung buhay kung walang pera, no? So, going back now to the purpose of this daily vlog is, by the end of the year 2024, sana makita yung progress or success. Nagka-record ako ng daily vlog so that everyday makita kung ano magaganap, ganun. And how I'm motivating myself. Actually, nakakatulong to kasi everyday na re-remind ako of my goals, ganun. Before ako mag-record kanina, parang wala lang, parang tamad ako, ganun, or wala akong maisip. But now that I'm speaking, parang merong change, sudden change sa mindset ko na kailangan ko maging motivated, kailangan kong lumaban, basta ayoko kasi umabot ng 30 years old na pa rin, paycheck to paycheck. Kumbaga, I'll consider that as a failure talaga if ever na tumuntong ako ng 30 tapos walang major success sa buhay ko, no? Kumbaga, I failed at some point. At ayoko talaga nun. So, ngayon parang hindi ko rin talaga alam pa o anong dapat kong gawin. Maybe kulang pa ako sa skills. Hindi ko alam. Kumbaga, naghahanap ako ng paraan, no, para kumita ng malaki. Like, ano pa bang kakailangan kong gawin? Starting a business, hindi siya basta-basta, lalo walang budget. No, they say na you should start a business. Mag-start a business, pero budget, diba? Let's start small, no? Starting small, sobrang talaga mahirap, pero let's be optimistic, no? I hate myself to be a pessimist, no? So always think positive lang talaga. Isipin ko na kaya ko, no? So yeah, it's still early, no? Early. It's still early in 2024. It's February 4, no? We still have a lot of days to cover. At hopefully, magising pa ako. Kung gising ako ngayon, sana magising pa ako ulit. At I hope that I will catch, opportunity to grow financially. Siyempre hindi ko din dapat pababayaan yung kalusugan ko dahil puhunan ko ngayon kalusugan. And yeah. But all in all, ang Diyos pa rin yung nakakaalam ng mga mangyayari sa buhay natin, no? Kasi hindi natin control yung buhay. We never can tell. So, we must glorify God every time. And, just respect His will and power over us. Ang mga panahon na nanghihina ako talaga. Pray lang talaga. So yun guys, yun lang naman yung status this February 4 in this daily vlog, no. Actually single take lang, no, because it's Sunday. Papahinga lang talaga ako, day off ko. And yeah, sana maging successful din kayo, no, at ingat kayo palagi. And thank you sa panonood. Bye.